Benefits of project-based learning. Benefits of project-based learning: students learn how to solve problems that are important to them, including real community issues, more effectively, even learning from failure and possibly starting over. Creativity. Students apply creative thinking skills to innovate new product designs and possibilities for projects. Self-confidence. Students find their voice and learn to take pride in their work, boosting their agency and purpose. Critical thinking. They learn to look at problems with a critical thinking lens, asking questions and coming up with possible solutions for their project. Empowerment. They take ownership over their projects, reflecting on and celebrating their progress and accomplishments. Project-based learning is a powerful teaching method that has extensive benefits for students, ranging from critical thinking to project management to self-confidence.